All
Why
right.
am I the only one running? Am I the only one who just pressed A? So, like, is that it?
Anyway,
I pressed A.
are we ready?
Why am I running?
Are we ready? Are we ready or
Yes.
not? For fuck's sake, are we ready or not?
Yes!
Okay, hi internet, we're ready. But apparently only Cancer is walking.
He's got such tiny legs, he has to get a bit of a head start.
Now, there might be a slight jump cut as we edit out the amount of equipment fuckery that we're about to do.
That's really specific.
Hashtag first world problems.
It's really important right now, okay. Oh, I found the rabbit, okay.
Okay, are we quite ready?
There we go, done. Alright,
Well, it doesn't matter because this is the world map screen and we only
I found the sad rabbit.
your input will only be necessary if somebody asks you for a
I
response.
found the sound rabbit sounds like code word for something. Like you'd be a
No,
secret
genuinely,
agent.
I just wanted an emoji
Just
of
be
a sad
like-
rabbit.
I found the sad rabbit.
Shh, thieves, thieving selkies.
Why? This is racial profiling, this is.
No, but
I
this
already
is
It's accurate.
yeah,
They
this
tried to
is
bug us.
this is profiling in the sense that we know that they are thieves
Oh,
because
okay.
we see them thieving.
Well, okay then.
But also their race played a huge component.
Evidently,
They got strange names. Baldat.
I don't even know.
Yes,
Sorry, what was that? Cancer.
that's true. You do have a strange name, Cancer.
Yeah,
I mean, Bram's pretty weird, but it's no Cancer.
I'm immortal.
All we care about is treasure.
see, selkies.
Megaj. Megaj.
Megaj, Beldat, and Artemisian.
That sounds like something Sacha Baron Cohen would say. Just like, Migash. I was down there with Migash.
These guys have a really positive outlook on life.
Money.
Leaves a bad aftertaste. That's a hell of a justification.
So that's a dude with, like...
No, that's definitely not a dude.
That is a dude.
That's
a
a
totally
dude.
dude.
That is a
What?
dude.
Look at
That's
the pets.
a dude. He's got
But
no
he's got-
shirt on.
Yeah, he's got, like, nipple thing, like nipple bells.
I don't even know what you
It's
call
a
those.
fashion statement, okay?
Just real freaky fashion in the Selkie community.
Even Bowie wouldn't do that.
No.
That's a level of fashion you're at. Not even
mine-
Bowie.
That's
Holy
bold.
shit, guys! The random encounters are coming thick and fast.
Oh.
Oh shit. What now?
Oh, hey, it's the Lilty Bros. These guys are total bros.
Mm-hmm. Well, fist bump and chill.
Remember when they just gave us an entire truckload of silver? I think they might be about to do that again.
Yeah, we like you guys. You're our pals.
These guys are so fucking cool.
It's so nice.
What did they
Like,
give us?
say-
A bunch of silver?
Cool. Those sound
Those
valuable.
sound fun.
Yeah.
I'm pretty sure those are part of like either like weapons or accessories that do petrification stuff because this is Final Fantasy and that's just what cockatrices do in Final Fantasy.
Are they bird lizards? I've forgotten what
I think the
cockatrice is.
cockatrice is like halfway between
Yeah,
a chicken
they're
and a lizard.
they're
Yeah.
chicken
Yeah, it
things.
is. The chicken hybrid.
Okay.
They're
Anyway,
they're
what
trying
what thing do we need?
to-
We need wind.
Wind.
Okay,
That's in the
back
first one,
we
isn't it?
go. This is such engaging game design.
Mhm.
Do, 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 do.
I think that it... Do you remember the Hercules show that was a spin-off of Xena?
No.
No, okay, but someone on the internet will. There was an episode where they're fighting a cockatrice, and it was just a giant chicken, and it was a ridiculously handsome guy who I don't know the name of, but he might have been guy in Andromeda sci-fi show. Come on, help me out here, somebody! For the love of fucking
Oh
Christ!
god, no.
my
thing.
Yeah, my geek catalog is failing me.
Oh dude, my weapon looks so boss.
Andromeda
right now.
was cool.
You guys seeing this shit? Look how boss my weapon looks.
Oh shit! Well, it's kind of
Yeah.
penis-like, so I
Yeah,
enjoy it.
that stick has a very large protrusion on the end of it.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's suggestive.
Why am I out? Sorry, the bubble.
Oh, no.
Everyone except me has really cool weapons,
Yeah,
but I've
Sappy's
got
weapon
magic.
looks pretty cool.
Yeah.
Yeah, I like mine.
Oh, by the way, some of you will probably have new focus attacks now, so
Oh,
have
cool.
fun with those.
I didn't realize new weapons gave you new focus attacks.
Yeah, there are a couple different focus attacks, some of which are extremely awesome and some of which are extremely lame.
Cool.
Mine says it's a dual shooter.
Oh. Okay.
If we want to sell things, we should probably go here.
Mars pass.
I want to kill things.
Don't worry. Don't worry. We're gonna have a jump cut, so you won't even notice this. Unless I decide to do a greatest hits. Savvy. So yeah, there's a merchant here somewhere, I think. Oh hey, it's this guy.
Silly hat. He's got a silly hat.
Yeah, silly hat means.
I want to see his hats.
Talk to the wrong guy.
Damn it, that's not it. Wait, no, I think it's a set.
He doesn't want to talk to
I
me.
think it's a Selkie, not a Selkie. The other one, the thing that cancer is.
Lilty.
Yeah, I think it's a Lilty over here.
Over where? Over.
On the left.
I mean, there's definitely a blacksmith over here.
There's two blacksmiths, one in each direction.
Yeah, there's a weapon blacksmith and an armor blacksmith, and they both think that they're the best blacksmith.
Okay.
Where's the abandoned child? There she is.
Yeah.
What's she doing?
Okay, this guy's a blacksmith.
Can you sell things to him? No, you can't sell things to him.
Okay,
Oh, God.
Maybe it isn't this Lilty.
Holy shit!
I got a different one, which was that they're gonna get divorced.
Seriously?
Wait, what?
My thing that she said to me was, my dad's always at work, so my mum says she's gonna get him something called a divorce.
Wait, what? I totally.
Oh my god!
How deep does this go?
Latchkey kid.
What do I get?
Yeah, look.
Jesus Christ!
I feel really bad about this child. I feel we should be checking up on him more often.
Jesus.
Okay, but seriously though, there is a.
We're gonna come back next time. It's just gonna be gone.
There is a fucking merchant
What
in
was the
this town,
institution
right?
of divorce? What's the fundament of like Final Fantasy's lore of marriage?
Okay, I found the merchant. The merchant's over here. Okay, so I'm going to sell a whole bunch of shit.
See the bushes.
Why are you putting him in a bush? Oh, you leave me alone.
Come on. The bushes.
Why? Why is this happening?
Kiss. Kiss.
No. Ha!
Told you, fade up. No one will notice.
Mm-hmm.
We are probably going to have to go back and forth because I still have no idea what element this is because we did not pay attention when Roland was telling us.
Yeah.
Fire
And there was
is,
a bunch of bush hijinks that distracted me.
Yeah.
but we don't talk about those.
No. The mind of
Catherages or Cathurages or no one ever actually says the name. Not even Donna Burke.
Okay.
It's really quite disconcerting, actually.
How many feckin' dungeons are there?
I want to say 13.
Okay.
I could list them all off, but that would be telling now, wouldn't it?
It's gonna be a surprise when we get there.
But if there's like potentially 12 years of this, how can there only be 13 dungeons?
Because you redo a lot of them.
That sounds kind of boring.
Dungeons operate on cycles.
Haven't you noticed that Riverbell Path has regenerated, and we could try and clear it again, and we'd probably all get murdered.
Yeah. Also, I will not fuck you.
I wish you would. You don't even have to spit in it. Go and try.
On a totally unrelated note, I looked up where the one guy that we spent ages trying to find is in this fucking town, and irritatingly, he moves.
Oh.
So he likes to walk around the crystal.
Well, that's where I thought he was.
There's someone.
Yeah.
Guilty. Is it him?
Yeah. He's on the other side. Let's just go around this way.
Oh, why did you go the wrong direction every single time?
Catch him!
No, that's not him. That's not him. The guy we're looking for is a lilty, but he dresses in like heavy armor and he walks around. So he walks around the crystal. God.
Catch the fucker.
Yes, this is the guy. So he doesn't say anything important right now, but we talk to him a lot until he repeats himself.
Okay. That's kind of weird.
There we go. Nocthelmer.
Fuck out of here.
Yeah, and then we get the hell out of here.
Fuck that guy.
God damn it, Nocthelmer.
His soul's like stabbed.
So yeah, that guy is part of a long ass side quest that is very worth it, but requires you got to talk to him. Then we got to go get a drop of myrrh. Then we got to talk to him, and then we got to wait until the year is odd, and then we got to talk to him. And fuck me.
Where is that hinted?
Yeah, how does anybody figure that shit out?
Game facts, man. It's 2004.
No, I get that, but
Yeah,
like,
but
how did
when
the
you're
first
playing it
person
the first
figure that
time,
out?
yeah. There's no way of knowing.
Game code?
Yeah, that's why they call them side quests. Hey, it's the Clavat Caravan.
Hi guys.
Dicks.
Can you tell that Clavats are farmers?
Yes. Better than being thieves.
They're very cheerful.
Yeah, Clavats are all cheerful and peaceful, and they like peace.
Does she have eyes? Zoom in the video when we get to this point.
I don't think zooming in is necessary.
You gotta see the eyes.
She's got her eyes closed because she's super wise.
Yeah.
Yeah. Like I swear the two of them
Made
are
up
actually
and shit.
identical.
They really are.
Like twins.
There
The
are two-
Clarets have just sent out like all their pairs of twins roaming the world. Also, why are we the only non-racially segregated village
Yeah.
/ caravan?
Like this is the thing. Like the Mars Pass caravan is all lilties.
Yeah.
We are the only caravan in the entirety of this world that is multiracial. Now,
So
who
does
has
that mean-
water? Does Machette Manor have water? Yes.
Does that mean that we're the only like village that has multiple different racial groups?
Not sure. I mean,
Male.
yeah, like Mars Pass has a lot of different people, but most of the settlements are like primarily based around one race, except for Jeffrey and Mars Pass. Hi, Stiltskin. Somebody talk to Stiltskin.
Okay.
I've got stuck.
And don't mash through the dialogue like you did last time.
Done. I tried. I'm doing one-handed. Yeah, I'm drinking. It's a
This
chore.
isn't you, this is
Hey,
Bram.
Stiltskin's talking about memories.
Couldn't talk to him.
Is there a limit on memories? Yes, there is. It's 99, probably.
That seems a
think.
little mean.
At least I think it's 99. I'm not actually sure, but for what it's worth, yes, we do actually have a counter that counts the number of diary entries that we have, and it is currently at 21.
We got 2 new memories since last I checked.
Yeah, because we had random encounters on the map. We're like, hi, we met some lilties and they were total bros, so they gave us more free stuff. And we met
Then
some
we met some Clavets,
yeah,
and
then
they
we
gave
met
us
some
some
Clavats.
wisdom.
Okay, so we could go and walk around the new town, but for characters' benefit, we could also go and
Stab.
kill things.
Stab.
This is a really cool dungeon,
That's
by the
not
way.
creepy at all.
I think we've now reached the limit of what I've played in this game, so this
Yeah.
is new for me from here on out.
This is a really cool
Yeah,
dungeon, and I like it a lot.
Long ago, peace returned to this tumultuous land, and lilties kept the highways safe. At long last, travellers walked the roads without fear of monsters. The Yugs constructed a great sluice to channel water down from Lake Shella, transforming Jagan Creek into a great river. Over time, the Jagan turned the vast plains of Fung into farmland, thereby providing food to people the world over. To us, this sluice is more precious than anything.
So yeah, this dungeon kind of has everything. Like it's got a nifty place in the world, it's got a place in the lore of the universe, it looks really fucking cool, and it has incredible goddamn music.
And it has a lot of ponds.
And a lot of puns. Anyway, we still have absolutely nothing to do in this menu.
I'm just a heavy fan
Yeah.
of the word sluice.
Oh yeah.
Alright,
It's a great word.
I'm not
Yeah.
healing myself this map.
I am picking up money.
Oh, fuck you, game. Don't cast spells.
Oh, inflict damage.
There, Feds.
I don't think I'm going to come out on top. Bram, press A and do the thing.
You press select, then you press A.
Press select, then you press A. Come on, we've been over this. Anyway, I hope you guys admired your shiny new weapons a lot.
Yeah, I'm looking forward to using it.
Anyway, go kill
Not
these.
this soon, not this soon!
Kill these lizard things
Not like this.
and get me some magic that I
Yeah,
can't
look, I did
cast.
2 shots.
They're scared. I'm like in fucking Manor Place.
Look,
We can get killed
I didn't hit anything, but I
time,
did 2 shots.
Totally forgot we went there.
right?
It was a fun time.
I'll take your word. Oh, I think I explode in fire now when I do a focus attack.
Oh, you do a little hop.
BT dubs. If there's money, let me pick it up.
Okay.
There he is.
There's money.
Oh, I am fucked up. Please get cured sometime soon.
I've got cure. Okay, somebody else carry the bucket because I need to heal people. This is gonna fuck my rank, but
Yeah.
yeah. Fucking hell.
Oh, wait,
Don't
there was
cast
treasure back
spells.
here.
Oh, was there?
Yeah,
Oh well, then by all means direct us.
about to.
I've got the monster locator. Are you alright there?
This all work features the best.
Hang on. There, yeah.
Oh no, we can't get to it.
Oh,
Oh, this
okay.
dungeon
Okay, then.
this dungeon has a thing, which is yeah, we'll talk about this much later.
Oh, and
But
there's one down there as well.
yeah.
To raise and lower water levels?
Not exactly. Well, the water levels will raise and lower, but it's not like part of a puzzle that we have to solve. But let's just say that we won't be getting those treasure chests in this run.
Okay. Because I really want to push boxes. I was playing
Okay.
Princess HD.
These fucking things are immune to ice, so I'm just gonna
Are they immune to stabbing?
fire. 2 fires.
Money!
There's a big thing here. You're out in the open. Don't do that.
People help me, Faraja. Okay, it's dead. Whatever. Is that a life?
Can't tell. I'll get the bucket. Bounce on the head.
Oh, it's a clear. Somebody else get that. Note there's a keyhole down here.
A blue
Blue?
square in that direction. Treasure's
down?
normally pink. But yeah.
Oh yeah, the blue. I think the blues are just the ones that we can't get right now.
No, the other ones were pink. That one there that we can see in the water there is pink.
Feds, you
This is mystery new blue thing.
Okay. Well, I think is that on the other side of that door?
Possibly.
We can go and poke it, but we better be fast because otherwise we're just wasting time. Please direct us. Like, is it on the other side of this door?
It's sort of down to the Bram direction.
yeah,
It's on the other side. It's on the
Yeah.
other side of that door. Something around here will probably drop a key. Probably.
Yeah, I'd say up. Up was probably a good place for someone to drop a key.
Is up not where we came from?
No, it came from the right. I mean, like it joins up here.
Yeah. This place is only a little bit maze-like. But yeah, there is some fuckery that goes down here. I still really like this dungeon, despite all of its fuckery.
I like the place that's like broken houses.
What, the dead village?
Yeah, that was cool.
Yeah, this game has a lot of cool places. It does not lack for environmental character.
Right.
Yeah.
Fucked them up.
Ah! I'm dead.
Oh,
I got a fish.
That's
why
what
are you dead?
It's not like I did it on purpose. I got iced by something.
Mark
I mean,
of
literally
Shella.
and colloquially.
Okay, well, we're gonna have to find some life.
Yeah.
There's a treasure chest there.
Ooh, artifact.
Kaiser Knuckles. That's probably strength up. I can't remember. Oh, hang on. Somebody stand on this switch. Cancer, stand on that switch.
Doing it.
I'm gonna move the bucket over here, and then Bram pick up that key.
Puzzles.
And then we can.
What was that?
You press the switch, the water comes out, and
No,
the
I meant
keys
the
in.
sounds that cancer made.
it
I don't.
was a
We have
sound
no
of revelation.
explanation.
I don't.
That's what Newton did.
I don't have a good answer for you.
If Newton never made those sounds, then I don't even know.
Okay, so I
Don't
can't.
believe in gravity no more.
I find it irritating that once
I never did.
again Safi has died and we have no life. Like that's
You find it irritating?
fair. Oh well.
I'm gonna pick up all the money that you want.
Oh,
anyone-
I think it might be that thing. In
What?
the water.
Oh.
Where Fez's icon is right now.
Why did I get paralyzed?
Yeah, let's do this.
Blood, dude.
I'm sorry. I am going on healing duty.
Okay, fine.
Please do. I'm actually doing okay.
Oh, life.
Ah,
I got it.
And someone said, like, your thing flashes when you should do a combo attack. You're a fucking liar. Whoever you are in the thread.
Yay!
That's not happening.
Thank you! Oh, I'm
Yeah.
so...
Ooh, alloy. There's
Money! Money! I can pick stuff up again! Whee!
Dead thief.
Fuck off.
Tooth.
see, I can't remember what things around here have like. Oh, that's straight up treasure. Okay, get that artifact.
Ooh. Yeah, that's a good shit one.
Yeah, you can tell roughly what they are by how they look. So the ones with the green trim on them are defense. Red is strength.
Why
Purple
would
is
a
magic.
drill be defense? That makes no sense.
I don't know, because you like drill into the ground and hide.
Hey, stop killing yourself.
There's a chest!
Get back in the circle.
She will die in the service of treasure.
Damn selfies.
Okay, it's more cure. Somebody pick that up. Yeah. Now we can have many healers.
I mean, I'm not healing myself.
I mean,
My
yeah.
mission.
Well, I've got don't fucking cast spells, and I'm still healing myself because what the fuck?
Yeah.
Yeah, that was never gonna work out for you.
That's just really fucking evil.
I finally have whack things with my penis stick. I'm so happy.
Okay, same drill again.
I
with the
wish it
key.
actually said that.
Although we will also want to probably go down because there might be something down there.
Yeah, well,
Yeah, just put the thing on and then wait for the camera. Oh no, there is no camera fuckery.
Yep, let's go.
Oh.
Yeah, I was expecting terrible camera
Saf,
fuckery.
Bob.
Saf, keep up.
Ah!
That's. Oh, is that actually?
Yeah. Traversable,
Oh.
by the look of it.
It's not cut off.
land bridge. How the ancient humans traveled.
There are motherfuckers ahead, so I'm just gonna cast Cure a bunch of times.
Yeah, that'd be good.
What the fuck?
Their money. How? How?
What the fuck?
Bram,
Bram,
let's get this.
revive Safi.
Thank you!
You're welcome.
Okay, so they all dead. I wanted that. A keg of spring water? That's a chest of water.
Yeah, it's in the water. But is there a chest down
This
here?
reminds me of a level at Pikmin.
Well, yes, Pikmin did have a lot of outdoor environments.
Yeah.
No, this reminds me of that like really shitty one where like it's the forest
concentric
navel.
circles of water, right?
Yeah, the forest navel. It's a real shit
Stop trying
area.
to set me on ice.
Yeah, because like there's water everywhere, but they're not supposed to use water Pikmin. Or...
But you find the blue Pikmin, but then it's got that really hard puzzle where they can tear down the wall after going through all these frogs, and like there's a bunch of fire and shit. Some money here, Saf. Money.
Bram, spells.
Oh, lots of money.
That's me here. Okay. Somebody heal me.
Ooh. Hang on.
Oh,
Ooh.
okay. You
Oh,
want fire?
sorry, Feds.
Yeah, that's fire.
I'm
dead.
healing.
I died.
Hey,
I was the one with the life stone.
I can't hit him. Can we do a gravity on this motherfucker or something?
I'm trying to not die here.
Yeah, that's fair.
Somebody throw cure while he throws fire.
Fire. No,
Got him.
yeah. These things shouldn't need to be gravitied.
Okay.
Okay.
Well,
Money.
so I'm dead. And that's kind
yeah,
of a
so
big
we don't have an
problem.
issue.
Yeah, that's bad.
Hey, anyone got any Phoenix downs?
Oh, I might.
Yeah,
I might.
have
hang
the
on.
Phoenix
Hang
down.
on, hang
Why
on.
didn't it work?
Can you? Because you didn't have it equipped.
Oh, can I use it?
Not while you're dead.
What?
Anyway, I'm just going to keep walking
I have
forward.
one.
Oh, you do? Heal
Okay,
me,
so
please.
equip it and use it on Bram.
How do I equip? Does
Yeah,
use
just
equip?
just equip it to your command slot like a magicite.
Yeah, I totally don't have any of those shits.
How do
yeah,
I equip
got it.
something? Command list.
Yeah. So equip
Okay.
it to your command list and then cast like a spell, but be careful because you only get one.
Alright.
Why aren't you waving, Bram?
Wait.
Yeah, you can wave when you're dead.
There we go.
Okay. Well, that was a
Now
minor,
stay alive because I don't have another one.
yeah, that was a minor disaster. Probably buy some from a town
I
merchant.
actually do have another one though.
Maybe equip yours.
Yeah.
And he's down 1 heart. Like, a little bit of the Curie.
Got that as well.
So yeah, I told you, Phoenix Down totally does not heal you to full.
That's bullshit.
Curaga!
Did not
Overkill.
intend to do that.
Well, I did.
Okay.
That's because I saw you doing it, and I was like,
Oh, I gotta get out of the menu.
Yeah, me too. What the fuck is that?
What the shit?
Is that a taco whatever thing?
Oh, it might be.
Jeez.
Might be. Oh, I can't reach it. I can't reach it.
Having a little problem.
Where? Oh, you're
we
dead.
know you're dead.
Somebody please cure me.
Thank you.
Oh, what's this? This is cool. Chili gel. Cool.
Fuck this thing.
Okay, we need to gravity it.
Oh, I have
3, 2,
fire.
1. Oh no, we don't need to gravity
No,
it.
it lands.
I thought it was a bird.
Can we fire out strategy this thing?
It's
Almost certainly.
some-
Do it.
Yeah, it's on fire already.
We got stunned out of it.
Ready?
Ah,
We're
dead.
too late.
Yeah.
Oh, there's another life though. I'll get that. Okay, I now have fire. I have cure, blizzard, fire, and life.
Yeah, cancer, you should pick up that cure.
Yeah, somebody
I'm
get
not
that
gonna
spare
use
cure.
I'm not casting magic. That's just not happening.
But you might as well. You're like the only one without it, or maybe Safi.
Yeah.
Or does Bram have
Fuck
it?
you, look.
Okay.
I don't, but I can't
Okay.
cure myself
Okay.
if I want to do my
I
thing.
mean, do I even
Yeah.
have the slots? I do
Yeah.
have the slots for it.
Yeah, basically, you can now cure yourself in an absolute emergency.
Yeah, that's a bad place when I'm alive.
Okay, now when we find the place where the key comes out.
Should I stand
Okay,
on it?
someone's gonna have to go out of the circle in order to get the key.
Okay, I got the most health.
Okay.
I'm good. I'm gonna self, in fact. Don't want any heals.
Where's the pot?
Your healing is so slow though. Like your magic is. So
I got the
slow.
pot.
Yeah. Here's-
So I think like there's actually 2 entrances into this area that we're going into, and we just unlock both of them, or possibly this is like some super secret back way. I cannot recall the map of this place, but there are a lot of weird circular routes, which makes a lot of sense considering the environment.
Yeah.
I'm gonna see. Radar is a thing that you get. Oh, I have the map. Fancy that.
For fuck's sake.
Okay, there are a lot of motherfuckers in here,
Oh
so
dear.
Roger.
but that's a cure.
Let's do it.
Oh, whoops.
Come on, bud.
I've cured something.
That was good. I also died, but no, I'm allowed. Let's do this.
Oh, no, cock.
Oh, that went well.
Yeah.
Come and get your heals.
9. Oh, another Mark Shella. Where's Shella?
Shella is the village in this area that we didn't go to because we wanted to indulge your want to murder things.
Ah, yeah.
Your kill lust.
Yeah. So where is
Once
the
It's down here.
This is
Move,
this.
move, move.
Okay,
move.
I'll keep myself healed.
Oh, okay.
Got it.
Alright.
We're all good.
Okay.
This seems like a dead end down here.
Yeah, that
total
just
dead end.
goes into water.
Can you heal me?
Yeah.
Who wants heals?
Me.
Get your heals. Yeah. This is the point at which having better armor and defense artifacts starts paying off. I think that's the boss through there. Who's got the map?
Me. Yeah, that's totally the boss.
Okay, so up first then. Probably an artifact this way.
Mhm.
Like, this way just seems artifacty as all hell.
There's a chest.
But it's in the
But it's
water,
probably
isn't
in
it?
the water.
Well, we will find whatever's up here and we will murder it with fire, followed by an additional fire at a second later interval. See? We're getting quite more or less practiced at this. He says exactly as they fuck it up.
Yeah.
He
Lots
said-
of money for the Selk.
And he says exactly as they fuck it up, exactly as they kind of half fuck it up for a second time.
Ah, we sorted it out.
Yeah, well, everyone survived and we cast some bitchin' spells and nobody died.
All good times.
Everything was good.
Oh,
Okay.
oh dear.
Oh,
Okay,
Griffin.
everything was good for a minute.
Then you ran out of the circle of protection.
Wasn't paying attention, okay.
Yeah.
I'm dealing with the flat.
Okay.
I am.
Those guys are the
lightning.
biggest dicks on the moon.
Oh Jesus! And I'm dead again. This is happening all together too often.
What? The cockatrice?
No, I'm dead again.
Oh.
Oh, here comes life.
Thank you.
How is that Flan still alive? There we go.
I give him a whack.
Hey, a moon pendant.
Is that an artifact?
Yeah, it's a new one for getting us a new card.
Ah, nice.
What is happening today?
Oh, I just cast life on the monster.
Money for
Money.
silk.
Okay, so
I
seriously,
can't, I'm stuck.
seriously pick it up.
Yeah, I got stuck on a plant.
Is there anything in this little...
Ooh,
This
fort.
seems
Rainforest?
like...
It seems like it might have something.
Yeah. There should be something in it. There should be like a... You think there'd be like a Moogle hole or something in
Ah,
it.
like Cycle 3.
I don't know where the Moogle hole in this area is. But we've already gone over what Moogle holes do.
Here. Nah.
Yeah, who gives a shit about Moogle holes, man?
I desperately want to
Get
go
your
inside Moogle
exciting
holes.
stamps.
we want to collect stamps and play a shitty ass mini game.
Oh,
I
yes.
don't think there's anything here.
Stamps,
No.
yes.
Alright,
That's
boss time.
Man, imagine if like that button that was up there like triggered something down here and we had to send somebody the whole way around while leaving somebody down here.
Oh Jesus.
I don't know if you can make it.
Or if you had
Well,
screen
you just have to be
doesn't
like
move.
constantly
if you
curing
if you had cure, you could probably do it. By the way, we're gonna heal up before we go in the boss room because why would we ever do that?
Oh, I just realized Cancer has 6 hearts, dude.
Yeah,
Good for you.
because we found another pendant,
Yeah, I think it's the moon charm thing that.
moon pendant.
Yeah.
I haven't used it yet. This is just
No, that's-
my efforts.
Yeah, because when you pick up an artifact in the level, you get the
applies it?
effect. Yeah,
Cool, I did not know that.
yeah. I think we went over this before.
Okay, well then I immediately forgot it because
Yeah.
I play these liquored.
Yeah, like I said, when you have them in the level, it's the only way that you can stack multiple copies of one artifact. So anyway,
Oh. Ow.
careful.
Just kicked my
But I think the other
It's
one was
fine.
Earth Pendant or something, so it's
Yeah.
a new one.
Anyway, here comes a boss.
Angela?
It's a fun
Everybody knows it was Mona.
Abed proved otherwise.
That's true. I just don't know how.
Hey, it's an animated stone crotch.
It actually is though. With a smiley face thing for a head.
Hey, what you looking at, fucker?
Oh, he's angry.
Oh.
Oh
It's like the
shit.
first boss from Skies of Arcadia.
Bad things are happening.
Nobody cares about your weird references.
Everyone cares Skies of Arcadia.
Unfortunately,
Bring it back, Sega.
I thought he was putting his head on upside down for a minute.
yeah. Unfortunately, the giant stone crotch now has a complete additional body. So, and lots of flans.
Okay.
Who wants Faraja?
Fire! Come here. That was helpful. Here.
Oh, he casts a freezy.
Yeah.
Okay, heals,
Yeah.
healing cancer. Ow! Ow! Oh, he just punched me for like a heart and a half.
Okay, I'm dying.
Cure.
Working on it.
Cure, yeah. Oh,
Everyone's
he's coming.
cured.
He's coming.
I'm slowed.
Okay, we dealt with the flans?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
For now.
Fireball.
My Roger. Relic.
Yes.
Jesus.
What's he got to do with this?
I'm slowed again.
Jesus.
That's true.
Yeah. It occurs to me that I think we have the necessary spells to cast haste.
Yeah.
Somebody
sorry.
posted it in the thread, but I forgot and I can't look it up. I need to cure myself urgently.
You really do.
Same.
I'm burning.
I'm
but
dead. I'm dead.
Ooh,
Oh,
that's
shit.
bad.
I got you.
Where am I?
Where you at?
I got punched off the screen.
Okay, you need to come up here.
I'm trying. At least I think I am. Here I am.
Okay, come here.
Oh, I'm on one heart.
Cancer, get your heal. Walk in the blue. There you go.
Okay, we're all good.
Oh, no.
Okay, just punch him to death.
That's what I'm trying to do.
I will assess with fire.
Yeah!
Oh, apart from those times when we died, that went remarkably well.
Yeah, that was alright.
Oh, he's sad now.
Oh, no. Feel bad for his little face.
He's a giant,
like-
horrible stone monster.
But he's got a little sad smiley. Oh.
Now he's dead.
He's a golem. He might be Jewish. Do you think you have empathy for those people?
What
That's
the fuck?
casually racist.
I'm sorry, user was probated for this post.
Yeah, seriously. Let's not with the...
You're now not allowed to talk for the next 3 days.
So now we can walk in
we
the
got
water.
some myrrh.
There's a pot on a treehouse over there.
I didn't know if I had to look at the video to confirm that. Anyway, at least here it actually makes some sense for there to be a fucking tree growing, because, like, you know, this whole
It's neither
area...
underground nor inside of a house.
And this whole area is professionally irrigated.
Can I just say, I really enjoy that you managed to insult Jewish people while also showing that you know something about their heritage.
Oh yes, that obscure Jewish mythological reference to Golem, referenced in no popular culture ever.
It took me years to find out that golems are Jewish. Like, honestly, they just showed up in fantasies. Like, of course, it's a golem.
Virtue's Lost Reward taught me that they have a word Emmet written on their forehead that you can cross out one letter and it turns it into just like I can't remember what it turns it into. Shit.
Great story. 10
I
out of 10. Well done. Content. That's content, internet.
it means truth or something. I don't fucking know.
Quality banter.
Oh, so that by the way, that random guy that we met in that town sent me a letter.
Oh, cool.
He says, if you had one wish that would grant you happiness, what would you wish to? What is happiness to you? My choices are: choice 1, to eat star carrots; choice 2, a good life for my family; or choice 3, just living.
Clearly it's star carrots.
What?
Oh, I discovered something, and I'm going to back out for the reasons of what I discovered. I'm going to back out of this menu, and I'm going to go out of letters into favourites. I'm going to observe that star carrots are, canonically, my character's favourite food. This is a mechanic in this game. Your characters all have preferences for food, and eating food that you like heals you for more, and eating food that you don't like makes you like it more.
This game's dumb.
Okay. So
Anyway, I'm going to respond that it's a good life for my family because I want them to live.
So remember when my brother sent me a fish saying it was my favourite food? It's actually my favourite food.
Well,
It's
yes,
a fish.
yes, they react.
I thought he was being facetious.
No, they do actually react in real time to your food preferences. Anyway, what else have we got?
My mother sent me a letter. I hear that the striped apples from the farm are much better than the ones on the
that
market.
one again.
What do I do with that? Do I send her a striped apple?
I guess.
If you have one.
Send her nothing.
I'll try them, and then I'm sending her a striped apple that I have dozens of.
Oh, you do actually have striped
I
apples.
have like
okay.
a bunch of them, yeah.
Oh, that's cool.
I sold like 3 and I still have 4 left.
That's cool because you're a clavat, and clavats often fields of fun, and fields of fun make lots of striped apples. So
Yes.
it's appropriate that you have lots of striped apples.
Yes.
I have another letter from my mum. I only ever get letters from my mum. She says, I definitely recommend the rainbow grapes. There's also this mysterious liquid, but there is no way I am going to drink that. I can tell that I'll get sick from it just by that awful scent and taste.
That's sensible.
Where is all this strange liquid coming from?
That's
So
a
what
good
I can
question.
say is, it's all
I
the
have no
same,
ideas.
or it smells fine to me.
It smells fine to me. I
Yeah,
think.
clearly people have been sending it to us, so it must be fine.
I'm going to say it smells fine to me, and I'm going to send her one back. Because I definitely have a strange liquid in her somewhere.
Probably the one that they sent you.
Yep, there we are. Sending it back.
It's the same bottle of strange liquid. Cancer, what
She's
you
been
got?
travelling the world.
Someone called Elna. That might be someone.
Yeah, I think that's one of your relatives.
Yeah, I don't know what you're planning to do with it, but I'll send it all the same.
Yeah, you remember
You
remember last time they sent you that they found a thing in your room called a legendary weapon, and would you like it?
Oh no, I don't at all.
Well, that's what happens. So, what is it?
Alloy. Motherfuckers, yeah.
It's just a chunk of alloy labeled legendary weapon.
Yeah,
You had a strange childhood.
I did, and now I'm gonna send them nothing.
And a
'cause,
strange
fuck
filing
you, family.
system.
You have to press the button to actually.
Uh,
Oh yeah, there we go.
yeah.
Bram, press done.
Okay.
Told you got to sit on the ground. So I like how there's this little platform here that we're all sitting on instead of sitting in the water, so the mail doesn't get soggy.
Yeah. Very full of forethought.
Anyway, let's get this out of the way. Yes, I lost by a long way.
I'm on. Yeah! Suck it!
Damn, I was so close.
And now Cancer's mood will be properly deflated by having to navigate his favouriteest menu ever.
Oh, hey, look, we actually got 8 this time.
Magic plus 3?
Ooh, I
That's
want
one
that.
for feds.
Unless I want a defense, because
We got 2 moon pebbles.
I'm starting to feel the lack of
Defense
defense.
plus 2 is pretty.
Yeah,
Then again,
I can take another heart. I can take another heart.
I think I'm going to as well.
Yeah, I'm gonna heart it up.
Okay.
That's like defense.
Become hardier.
Yeah.
I could do a defense.
Yeah, I don't know if I want a defense or a heart or a magic. If I lost, so you just pick whatever you want, and if neither the defense nor the heart is left.
Magic plus 3 is what you want to do. Plus 3, you're not going to leave that
Oh,
hanging.
yeah. I think Bram already had a defense plus 2 because it was grayed out there.
Yeah, well,
So basically, you take either the defense plus 2 or the magic plus 3, and I'll take whichever one of those you don't take.
I'm going to take the defense.
you
I
were
guess.
dying way too much.
Because, yeah, that
What
was
else?
a bit beyond a joke.
Little jokes.
Remember that time when we thought to press the B button in this menu and it just backed out without anyone choosing anything?
No.
That was such good game design.
Did that happen?